So, yeah, that's basically my weekend.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
And now,
Silence.
oh no.
You feel it, right? That moment when the conversation just stops breathing.
Yeah, it's like someone unplugged the music.
And suddenly you can hear everything.
The coffee machine.
The cups.
Your own thoughts getting louder.
Your brain is screaming, say something, please, say anything.
But nothing comes.
Your mind goes blank.
Your words are stuck in traffic.
Red light.
Another red light.
Still red.
And the worst part?
The other person is still there.
Smiling.
Waiting.
Very politely.
And you're thinking, was that my fault?
Same, every time.
If that moment feels familiar,
You're not alone.
hi, I'm Jane.
And I'm Ben.
You're listening to Easy English Conversation.
A calm space for real English.
Not perfect English.
Just human English.
Today we're talking about something small,
But very powerful.
how to keep a conversation going.
Especially when it suddenly goes quiet.
Before we continue,
Relax.
just listen first.
Borrow any lines you like.
No pressure.
You don't need to understand everything.
You don't need to remember everything.
Just notice how the conversation feels.
Let the English come to you.
If something feels useful,
You can steal it later.
by the end of this episode,
You'll have calm, simple ways to handle silence,
you'll know what to say.
even when your mind feels empty.
And at the end, we'll slow down with a word tour.
So the phrases stay with you.
Let's picture the cafe.
It's warm.
Not too loud.
You just met someone.
Maybe a friend of a friend.
Maybe someone from work.
You're holding your coffee.
You're both being polite.
You talked about the weather.
Maybe about work.
And then,
The conversation slows.
the silence arrives.
Let's talk about why silence feels so uncomfortable.
Especially in English.
When you're speaking another language,
Silence feels like a mistake.
like you failed a test.
But real conversations don't work like that.
Even in your own language,
There are pauses.
people think.
People breathe.
But in English, your brain adds pressure.
You should be better.
You should say something smart.
And that pressure makes everything worse.
I remember once,
Oh?
I was in a cafe in another country.
Already scary.
I met someone new.
Okay.
I talked for 5 minutes.
Nice start.
Then, silence.
Uh-oh.
And I panicked.
What did you do?
I started talking too fast.
Ah,
I said things I didn't mean.
been there.
The conversation felt worse than the silence.
That's such an important point.
Silence itself is not the enemy.
Panic is.
First tool,
Very gentle.
you don't need a new topic.
Just comment on what's existing.
The coffee,
The place.
the moment.
For example,
This cafe is nice.
or it feels cozy here.
You're not being boring.
You being present.
Many cafe moments.
So yeah, that was basically my weekend.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
And now,
Silence.
oh no.
You feel it, right?
Second tool,
Soft questions,
not big questions.
not interview questions.
Soft ones.
How about you?
What about you? These are magic.
Because they're light.
They don't demand performance.
Mini cafe moment. I usually come here after work.
Oh yeah? How about you?
Easy.
No pressure. Third tool,
One small truth.
not your whole life.
Just something human.
I'm a little shy in new places.
Or I never know what to order.
People relax when you're honest.
Because they feel the same.
Personal anecdote. I once said, I'm bad at small talk.
And
The other person smiled and said, me too.
instant connection.
Fourth tool,
This one feels scary, but it works.
you name the silence.
It got quiet suddenly.
Or, I always forget what to say next.
When you say it calmly,
The silence stops being awkward.
it becomes shared.
Okay, back to the cafe.
We're sitting there.
The silence arrives.
I'll try tool 1.
This place feels really calm.
Oh yeah, I like it here.
Flow continues.
Now tool 2. I usually come here on weekends. How about you?
I'm here for the first time.
Nice.
No panic.
Let's slow down and practice.
Repeat after us.
Out loud or in your head.
This place is nice.
This cafe feels cozy.
How about you?
What about you?
I always forget what to say next.
Same here, honestly.
Silence is okay.
I can keep it simple.
That's real conversation.
Let's slow down.
Word tour time.
Awkward.
Meaning uncomfortable.
Example,
That silence felt awkward.
small talk.
Meaning light conversation.
Example,
We made small talk.
comment.
Meaning say what you notice.
Example,
I commented on the cafe.
pause.
Meaning a short stop.
Example,
The pause was normal.
flow.
Meaning smooth movement.
Example,
The conversation flowed again.
connect.
Meaning feel understood.
Example,
We connected quickly.
this week,
When a conversation gets quiet, I can say,
just one small comment.
and if you want, write one line in the comments.
When a conversation gets quiet, I can say,
Silence doesn't mean failure,
it's just a pause.
and you're allowed to pause.
This is Jane.
And this is Ben.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.